Hey guys, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. I know, I'm so colorful, but I had to bring some color into this gloomy winter weather we're having here in Toronto. But either way, for today's video, I thought it would be really fun to do a quick little tutorial of something that has been so crazy, insanely requested by you guys, and that has been how I tie my shirts. Basically, in almost all of my try-on hauls, you guys constantly ask me how I tuck in my shirts and fold it, tie it, and all that good stuff. And today I'm actually going to show you pretty much 3 different main ways that I love styling and sporting my shirts, whether that's t-shirts or long sleeve shirts such as this. These are little tips and tricks that I either picked up from other people or I honestly just tried and saw that it works for myself. So I'm really excited to get into it, and this will be pretty quick. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. So we're gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna show you guys my first basic front tuck. I love sporting this all the time, and today I'm actually gonna show it to you on a graphic tee so you can see why I love it so much. When you have a graphic t-shirt like this, tying it at the front kind of morphs the whole shirt and doesn't make it look as good. So instead, what I'd love to do is lift up the shirt, and I'm actually gonna pinch in the corners at the bottom of the fabric, and then I'm gonna tuck that right in to my high-waisted jeans. Doing this actually folds over the shirt a little bit, makes it look a little bit more chilled, laid back, slouchy, but in a really cute way. Another way that I love sporting graphic tees like this is doing a little bit more of a side tuck than a front tuck. So my little trick for you guys to have the fabric stay in your pants all day, I just grab a little edge of the corner, I twist it right around maybe 2 or 3 times, and then I tuck in that edge at the bottom. Pull out the shirt a bit just to fix it to your liking, and it's another really great easy way to style white tees like this. Pulling out my next top, it's my red Calvin Klein t-shirt. I really love this shirt, but it is definitely too long for my body type, so wearing it with high-waisted jeans, I love tucking it fully in. And this is really simple. All you guys are gonna do is just fully tuck in the shirt, but the key is that you want to lay down your fabric really flat so that you won't have any little weird bulges in your bum. And then after the tucking is done, you can pull it out to your liking, again to loosen up the look once more. As you guys can see with this logo tee, my logo is actually set really high up, and I actually think this top would be a great option for a crop top, but I don't want to cut it. So what I love to do is actually just pretty much tuck the fabric right under my bra. Shout out to Valeria Lipovetsky. She has been popularizing this whole hack a lot with her sweaters. I've been seeing it for a little while, so this is what I've been loving to do recently when I have some tops that I would love to sport as a crop top, but I wouldn't want to go in with some scissors. Again, you would just flatly tuck in all the edges right under your bra all the way around, and then just pull it out to your liking to get your desired length of your crop top. It's also a really great way to take your t-shirts and transform them into the spring and the summer. So now I'm going to show you 2 different ways that I love doing my absolute favorite tie, and this is for sure what you guys have been requesting the most. You're just going to grab your t-shirt and then pull it right at the front. Bringing your palm in, you're going to slide it down your top and then take the piece of excess fabric and twist it around itself once more. Once the little twist is all tight and firm, you're going to bring it right under your top and tuck it under your bra once again. That's just going to hold it into place and give a really cool illusion of a twist effect. If you see any hems from the bottom of the t-shirt showing, again, you're going to want to tuck them right under to kind of give the whole twist an illusion as if it's going around the entire top. Then just adjust it to your liking once again, and then I actually love to cuff the sleeves of certain shirts such as this. I feel like it gives you a bit more of a laid-back vibe and definitely a really cute look for the summer. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the way you can achieve the same look. If you're somebody who doesn't necessarily wear a bra, you're just gonna take the t-shirt once again, pull it at the front, and instead of twisting it, you're just gonna go ahead and create a simple knot. Take that little edge of fabric, make sure to pull really tight so that it won't budge. And if you want, you can actually leave the top just like so. Many people do sport their t-shirts like this, but I do feel like the tie in this case is a little bit too big. So to get that exact same look as before, all you're gonna do is tuck it right under and it should stay perfectly in place, giving you that same twist effect. And there you go. Honestly, so simple, so easy, and this is probably my absolute favorite way to sport my t-shirts. You can customize this to your liking. You could do it with oversized t-shirts, less oversized t-shirts, and even long sleeve shirts. I think using the whole twist and tuck method is a really great way to just edge up your look a little bit, especially if you like more of that cropped look. But again, you can always bring down the length of the top to your desired style so that you can be comfortable rocking your amazing looks. And that is actually it, guys. So simple and so easy, right? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do. If any of you guys try out these tucks or folds or knots for yourself, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. I would really love to see you sporting your shirts in a really cool way. And if you are someone that kind of relates to my style or want any outfit inspo whatsoever, you could actually go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because on there I actually post a ton of the outfits that I'm sporting, including this one. If you are new, I would really love it if you subscribe down below and join our amazing family, and also turn on your little notification bell to get notified every time I post a new weekly video. Hint hint, even though it's winter here, I have a really sick spring haul coming up and I'm so excited to share it with you. Love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!